Dear students, today we are going to learn no tense change condition in reported speech. When we change the speech, we change the verb tenses. Generally, if there are present tenses, we change them into past tenses. But in some condition, the verb tenses do not change. They remain the same. Let's see some examples. First example, the teacher said the earth is round. This is direct speech. The indirect speech is the teacher said that the earth is round. Here, the earth is round in direct speech. In the indirect speech, also the same, the earth is round, no tense change. This is and this is same tense or same verb. Next example, he said to the students, water boils at 100 degree Celsius. Now indirect speech is he told the students that water boils at 100 degree Celsius. Here water boils at 100 degree Celsius, and in the indirect speech he told the students that water boils at 100 degree Celsius. The same tense, same verb is used there, no tense change. Similarly, my grandfather said, I smoke a lot. This is the direct speech. I smoke a lot. Maybe it is his habit. Now, indirect speech is my grandfather said that he smokes a lot. Here, I changes into he because I is first person pronoun. Changes according to the subject. Subject is my grandfather. The pronoun is he. That's why he comes here. Here, I smoke. I takes V1 plural verb smoke. Then he takes singular verb smokes. So my grandfather said that he smokes a lot. No tense change at all. Now let's see all the examples in the same slide, and let's observe it. The teacher said the earth is round. Yes, the earth is round. This one is universal truth. The teacher said that the earth is round. Second example, he said to the students, water boils at 100 degree Celsius. This water boils at 100 degree Celsius is uh, general truth or general fact. He told the students that water boils at 100 degree Celsius. Similarly, third one is my grandfather said I smoke a lot. It can be his habit. So my grandfather's habit is to smoke. My grandfather said that he smokes a lot. Only the persons are changed. Like I is first person pronoun changes according to the subject. Subject is my grandfather. The pronoun is he. That's why I changes into he, and I smoke in the direct speech, and he smokes in the indirect speech. He is singular. Subject takes singular verb, smokes a lot. So, after observing these examples, can you discover a rule or can you generate a rule? Of course, you can. Look at the rule. I think the rule you have discovered and the rule I have written here is more or less similar. Universal truth, general facts, and habitual actions are always in simple present tense and they are not changed in reported speech. This is the rule. Let's see another example. Another condition of not changing the tense verb in a reported speech. Saru says, I can dance well. Here, Saru says is reporting verb. Generally, reporting Bob comes in uh, past tenses, but this one is in present tense. Soru says, I can dance well. Can is the verb. Answer is Saru says that she can dance well. This can remains the same, no tense change. Next example, Bola will say to me, I go to school every day. Here also the reporting verb is not in past tense. Reporting verb is in future tense will say. The indirect speech is Bola will tell me. Say to changes into tell. Bola will tell me that he goes to school every day. I is plural pronoun. I takes B1 go, but I changes into he. He is singular subject, singular pronoun. It takes the singular verb goes. Next one. My father has said everything is okay. Here everything is okay is the sentence. And let's see the reporting verb here is has said. Has said is not in past tense. This one is also in present tense. So the indirect speech of this sentence is my father has said that everything is okay. This is and this is same. No tense change at all. Only the person change. Let's see all the examples in the same slides. Saru says, I can dance well. This says is in present tense. Saru says that she can dance well. Number two, Bola will say to me, I go to school every day. Will say is in future tense. Reporting Bob is in future tense. Bola will tell me that he goes to school every day. Third one, my father has said everything is okay. My father has said that everything is okay. So you have to look at the reporting verbs of each sentence, each example given here, and try to discover a rule. You have to make your own rule in which situation or condition you should not change the tense verb. I think you have discovered the rule. The rule is like this. If reporting verb is in present or future tense, no tense change in indirect speech. So, in this class, we learned two things. We learned two things in which we do not change the verb tense in reported speech. I think it will be helpful for you. Thank you very much.